Hello, I'm Dr. David Clark. In this or previous videos, we introduced the modern Class 1 composite restoration, which is based on the fissurotomy style of cavity preparation. Now we'll move to the Class 2 preparation and restoration. The traditional GV Black Class 2 cavity preparation was necessary for amalgam. Unfortunately, the volume of tooth structure removed and the way the tooth was cut has predisposed these teeth to eventual fracture. Let's compare the old with the new. On the left, you'll see the old, which is the GV Black preparation. On the right, you will see a fissurotomy combined with the saucer preparation in the interproximal. In profile, you see how the traditional Class 2 preparation weakens the tooth. In a comprehensive study of cracked teeth, we found that the most common spot for crack initiation was at the junction of the interproximal with the occlusal. Now we see the Clark Class 2 preparation. Look how the bridge of dentin and enamel is maintained. We see significantly less weakening of the tooth with this approach. The problem has been to restore this somewhat claustrophobic area. What you are about to see is a new patented process using new materials to create a less iatrogenic, more biomimetic cavity preparation and restoration. It is also more simple, faster, and more predictable than the traditional technique.